This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. Pride and ownership in this craftsman-style home located in the desirable Whitehall community. This gorgeous home offers over 2,400 square feet of living space with 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and an open floor plan. First level offers a formal dining room, private office with double glass doors, spacious family room that opens up to the kitchen area and separate laundry/mud room off the garage. The kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, large center island and separate nook for all of your entertaining needs. Second level offers 4 generous-sized bedrooms with access to a full bath and open area that can be utilized as a play area, den or second office. Primary bedroom offers 2 separate walk-in closets and updated bathroom with double sinks and stand-in shower, conveniently located near the walking trails and all of the community amenities. This home will not last, so do not let it get away. For more information, review the details below or contact Towne at 757-746-0089.